Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you guys the top edge Jailbreak tweaks for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the first tweak is called Iconify, add notifications your way, tighten board the stock badge notifications. So this tweak gives you the ability to choose a notification style to your liking, featuring 5 different notification styles to choose from. Notification styles are completely customizable, allowing you to choose the colors, borders, radius, and more. So you have alert overlays, macOS style plus, crossbars, and you have spots. Now she's called Varderman, and update your wallpaper periodically. So every now and then you will see that you have a new fresh look on for your wallpaper. So download is the best feature random images from the internet to use as your wallpapers. To different like sunrises, beach, sunset wallpapers. So pretty cool. I mean, I'm in Florida right now. I moved to Florida if you guys haven't known. So that kind of like matches my vibe. Florida's a bunch of beaches, nice weather. Besides when it's raining, but other than that, you get those nice vibes here. Compared when I was in Jersey, it was cold and different lifestyle, but it kind of matches more like your atmosphere. Like, I mean, in Jersey, I probably have a cold, wintry, miserable wallpaper. While in Florida, I'll have like a little rainy one, beach one, sunrise, sunset one. But the new one also is pretty cool. This street's called Trying to Kill, and control center modules to get background sounds. So you can see right there, background sounds feature from iOS 15, iOS 11 and up, physically tested iOS 14.3 and iOS 12.1.2, which should support iOS 11 to 15.x. Any firmware CC support is supported on. I'm going to show you CC support. That's the only tweak I have installed, so you know it's a good tweak or it does something pretty useful. CC support adds the ability for other developers to add their own modules in the control center. It does it in a safe way to ensure the control center does not get messed up when the tweak is not loaded. It's by OPUF334, which is an amazing developer. I think he's the one that created Safari Plus or Checkra1n. So yeah, he did create Safari Plus. Safari Plus is a pretty cool tweak, guys. It gives you a bunch of features like privacy features, upload and download features, usability features, which you can read for yourself, actions, gestures, customization. It supports iOS 8.4 to 14.8. So this tweak made Safari a lot more better and adds a bunch more features to Safari. This tweak's called Checkra1n. So I was right. He also does create Checkra1n. So he's a pretty popular developer. Checkra1n's also a pretty popular tweak. Checkra1n Lite. If you guys don't know if you want to buy it, because Checkra1n does cost money, you guys can download Checkra1n Lite first to get the feel of how this tweak is. If you like it, buy it. Definitely worth it. I use another tweak similar to this tweak, which it's called Line, which I'll share after this. It allows you to create a container management solution. You create multiple containers per application, so you can pretty much have like different, multiple accounts, or for games or apps, or even like Discord or Snapchat, all that cool stuff. So please know ARM64 devices running torrent on iOS 14 and 14.2.1 are not supported. So really cool tweak, guys. The one I use, Line, does the same thing, but it's pretty amazing. So like you can easily switch. I know people I could just sign out of an app. And you obviously can't do it for games unless you sign with an account, but this allows you to quickly and easily switch. It's really convenient. It's only $2 or something. Let me see. It doesn't even say. I think it's only because see, that's dumb. You need Zebra. I use Cydia. I think Cydia is OG. And I don't want to switch, so that's pretty dumb that they're forcing you to switch to get the tweak. But I think it's $2 or something. Just want to show you the tweak I use. Kunz is also a pretty cool developer. He also creates a location changing tweak. So pretty cool. So this tweak, Line, what it does the same thing that Checkra1n does. It allows you to add multiple pretty much accounts for apps, so you can easily switch between them and use different accounts per apps. So it's good if you can do 2 Snapchat accounts or 2 different accounts for a game. Pretty cool. She's called Sprintmize 5 and customize your device like never before. Stop trying to tell me to update to Zebra. I do not want to update to Zebra. Zebra is my second best package manager, and then it probably goes Cilio, then Installer, but Cydia is my favorite, so leave me alone. This tweak's pretty cool. I mean, there's literally Sprintmize 2 Sprintmize, and then Sprintmize 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. So it supports iOS 13 and 14. So there's pretty much 100 plus options to customize your device with. I think it does cost money, but if you want to customize your device, this is probably the best tweak to do it. So if your Instagram does feel a little dry, tweak called Rocket for Instagram can spice it up. So this tweak allows you to download posts and share posts directly from your feed. It gives you just a bunch of cool features for Instagram. So you can see this is a list of the features it gives you. You guys can pause the video and read them for yourself, and then decide if you want to install and buy this tweak. I think this tweak is might be free. Yeah, I think it's free then. If it's not, it's probably like $2, but I think it is free. You can see. I think it's free, but you have to buy it to get rid of the ads or something. But it's not, if you had to buy it, it's only like $2 or $2.50 or something like that. It's really cheap. Next, you call Folder Plus. Take back control of your folders. So customize your folders and all that cool jazz. Just want to show you the light version of Checkra1n. Same thing. It's just the free version, which allows you to do one application at a time. So not bad. I mean, you could technically make do using this tweak the whole time and not pay a single dollar, but I recommend using the if you like it, definitely just buy it. It's like $2 or something to buy the original Checkra1n. And also, like I said, when you buy tweets, it's a great tweak for you to use all the time. It makes stuff more convenient for you. It's cheap and it supports the developer. So it's all kind of like a win-win-win situation. Alright, and the last tweak is called No Tie Block, and block notifications and take control of your digital well-being. So block notifications, take control of your digital well-being. Push notifications are a glance, gift and a curse. So you interrupt your life, and it kind of distract you from getting stuff done. This tweak allows you to control that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and